Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Mampana from the Sulfam FX Traders, and if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Now in this video we're going to do a market recap. We're going to analyze Nasdaq, gold, GBPUSD, GBPJPY and USD CAD. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in marble hall is like a movie. I knew it and I did.
We're getting money, don't care about.
Thank you so much for choosing this video, and let's dive into the charts. Here I have USD CAD. So I'm going to start on a 4-hour time frame right there. So first of all, we need to identify our zones. Here you can see right there, which confirms my selling opportunities. As you can see, we have a first touch here, second touch and a breakout here. So it's first touch, second touch, but what happens right here is that you can see here we broke out of this trend line right there, and currently we are confirming this opportunity. So this candle right here serves as a confirmation candle. Now I'll be looking for selling opportunities based on the structure that I'm seeing on a 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to mark this level right here. At least I'm aiming up to that level, but before I can enter the market, I also need to be sure that the market has crossed this level here successfully. So on an hour time frame, we can't really say that we have something too different from what we have seen. We're just going to confirm our entries here. So maybe right there will be my stop loss, and I'll move this down to this point right there. On the screen right now I have GBPUSD. Now let's switch to a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we've been having this structure right here. Let me just zoom out. We've been having this structure right here where we have this bigger channel and the smaller channel all to the upside. So we anticipated a move to the downside to at least come at this point right here before we can shoot up. Otherwise, if the market breaks this line right here, then we will take this channel, the outer channel here, as invalidated. Now we are going to focus on this channel right here, and so far we are still on that move to the downside to hit that level. But what is it that we are looking forward to trade this week? Are we going down or up? Now on an hour time frame, I can see something right here. I can see this right here, which gives me an idea that the market might have something of this nature and shoot back up right there. So at this point we really don't know what's going to happen, but this is the structure that I'm looking forward to trade. So I'm looking for buying opportunities, at least the market to create some sort of a double bottom here and shoot back up. If that's not the case, then I would look for buying opportunity somewhere right here. I will look for buying opportunities somewhere right here at this line. Should the market fail to give me an entry at this line, I would know that my setup is invalidated, and I would look for more setups to trade. We don't have to force this trade, even though I am looking for a double bottom. But then remember, I'm not the one who's controlling the market. The market might still fail to give me that double bottom. So what will happen is that the market might still do this and do that again. So I'm expecting at least a reversal at this point, but if that's not the case, then it might continue going down, and then I might enter somewhere right here to the downside. Since now this channel, the outer channel, will be invalidated, I might look for selling opportunities right here. So that's where I'll feel comfortable enough to take my selling opportunities. Otherwise, buying opportunities at this point will be a great thing to do other than selling opportunities. So yeah, but if the market breaks the outer, if the market breaks this line right here, then I would look for selling opportunities right there. On the screen right now I have GBP JPY. So let's mark our zones, draw our trend lines. So just more like our GBPUSD, I'm also looking for buying opportunities here on GBP JPY, and the reason being that already the market is here, touched here. Maybe it might come back to retest and then continue shooting back up. But for selling opportunities, we can see this level here being respected here, and then we are expecting it to be respected once again at this level. So this zone here is very important. As we can zoom out, we will see that this zone being respected again here somewhere right here. We can see here this zone played a very big role right there. So we need to also prepare when the market gets to this zone. But currently I'm looking for buying opportunities. Should the market shoot down first, then I would know that my entry will be somewhere right here. My entry would be somewhere right here, and then I will continue all the way to the upside right there. As I'm scaling down to 1 hour, so there's nothing that I can do on an hour time frame to at least prove that maybe we're still going down. So I'm just going to wait up until to see the reaction. Maybe when I wake up in the morning, I will find the market at this level, which confirms my buys, or maybe I will find the market crossing this level right here, and I will also take my buys. So I will just do this. I'll just mark this level right here. So once it breaks this level, then I will feel comfortable enough to take my buys here. I'll leave my stop loss somewhere right there, and then I will continue holding this position to the upside. On the screen right now I have Nasdaq, and I've already did my analysis. Anyway, let me just scale down a little bit to give you a little background on what we've been through with Nasdaq. So on a 4-hour time frame, if you can watch my previous videos, you'll understand that we saw something of like, we saw an inverse head and shoulder, anticipated an inverse head and shoulder, and finally the market is at the stage where I would say my inverse head and shoulder is done. Wow, it's been a long, guys. I've been having this position from right here, been taking profits up until this point right here. So yeah, man, it's been a very rewarding trade. So what's next for Nasdaq? What's next? Let's see this. I'm seeing Nasdaq creating a new higher high this week. However, before that can happen, I'm seeing a rejection. We can have a rejection before that could happen. So as I'm on an hour time frame, I can see where the price is currently. The price is here, and I'm expecting some sort of a double top right there before the market can continue shooting up. So what confirms my double top is this and this here. So I'll have that as my double top right there, and I'm waiting for the market to at least shoot down before we can continue and creating a new higher high. So we will just see. Maybe the market might also still shoot furthermore down to this level right here before we can continue going up. You will never know. We're just going to see what will happen this week, but I'm confident enough that the market might create a new higher high this week. So our selling opportunities wouldn't be that long. We wouldn't have like thousands of pips on these selling opportunities rather than buying opportunities. So yeah, this is what I had for you this week. If you have stayed up until this very end, be sure you hit that subscribe button and also like the video. I love you so much, and thank you so much for everyone who's constantly coming to check my analysis. I appreciate your support, and I will see you on the next video.
Okay, but guy, I will never do it. Right now they are watching me